been trading CRT wrongly. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to each and every one of us the step-by-step procedure on how to properly trade CRT and increase your win rate. Please stay to the end of this video and catch up with it. And welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to quickly tell us or quickly explain to us how I was able to take this trade on USD card based on what I explained to us the other time on CRT. So if you haven't watched my former video, do well to check it out. I I extensively explained how to properly trade CRT and what makes a CRT a valid one and what makes it not to be a valid CRT. So let's get into it now. What I did was practically very simple and straightforward. So I would not want to waste any much of your time. I quickly went to daily time frame, right, to observe what is happening. And from my former video that I explained on CRT, you would agree with me that this CRT right here actually meets our criteria, and but it is missing out on one thing. Now, normally this is our CRT low, and our obvious target should be here, right? Obvious target should be here. And what's the second criteria? Okay, like let me quickly recap on the criteria. I said that our CRT should be mitigating a key level. Our CRT should be located in a discount level, and of course our CRT should give us a lower time frame shift. Now you can agree with me that this CRT met two of two of our three criteria. So now I'll move into lower time frame to show you why I did not take on the buys, but I was much more interested in the sales. Now, going to the lower time frame, to lower time frame, this we actually had what we had lower time frame shift, but then this range does not look valid to me at all. It does not look valid to me, so I did not engage in the buys. Although the buys was looking, the buys was a bit enticing, but then I was not just interested in that. So what I did was I quickly went to the daily time frame to see what was happening. And then I realized that, ooh, nice, we were forming another CRT, but this time around I caught it from the very beginning. And I'm going to explain all of that. So, what can you see? What can you say about this CRT? It is, it is, it is in premium. It is in premium of this range because we have a range from this high to this low, and this our CRT is located in the premium. It's also coming from what? From a key level, as you can see. Now, the third criteria, which is lower time frame shift, if you go to 15-minute time frame, you can see what we clearly have a nice range to work with. As you can see, I'm sorry about that. We have a very nice range to work with. We have a break of this low, and what? And a sweep of this high. Sweep of this high. And what else do we have again? We have what our engagement properly presented to us, and that was it. I took the trade directly from here, from this other block right there. I took my trade from here. Yes, yeah. Sorry, I took my trade from this open close key level right here. That's where I took the trade from. So that was basically what I did. My 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 stop loss was right here. My take profit, I was targeting this low, this exact low here. So that's basically how I was able to take this trade on USD card yesterday. So in case you do not understand what I did here based on the CRT, do well to watch my very first video I dropped on my YouTube channel explaining what CRT is all about. I actually went into details on what you should expect on CRT. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about entries. I'm going to be talking about the important things for entries and targets, because in trading it's very very important for us to know where we are entering from and where we should exit from, because this market is this market does not care about what we do. So our own job is to enter and collect what we can and leave. So as you can see, USD card is still selling, but I was able to target here. I was not really interested in any further sales. I just wanted to take what I can and leave. The goal is to be profitable, not to prove a point. So I'll see you in my next video. Do well to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping more and more content for us, more and more, much more content for us. Thank you.